Good morning. This sequence is designed to wake you up on those lovely summer mornings where your alarm goes and you feel just a little bit sleepy still. So you can still be lying in bed here for this practice, or you can move down to the ground, up to you. We'll start lying down on our backs and just let your legs relax and your arms relax down by your sides. If you are on your bed, maybe scooch into the middle of the bed and get rid of the pillow. And then just feel your whole body here resting against the surface beneath you. Take a couple of nice deep breaths in through the nose and out through the nose or the mouth. 2 more times just like that. One more time. Good. And then slowly bring your feet together. Bring your arms down by your side. Let your palms rest facing down. Adjust your body so it feels good and connected to whatever is underneath you. And just take a moment to notice how you are feeling this morning. If you're still feeling a little bit groggy, if there are any aches and pains in the body. And on the next big breath in, I would like you to raise your arms all the way up and over your head. Hook your thumbs. Let all of the other fingers reach out like the rays of the sun. Point the toes and stretch your whole body here. Now stretch just a little bit more. And then as you breathe out, let your arms fall back down beside you. Bring your right knee in for a squeeze. Wrap your fingers around the knee and draw that knee in nice and tight. We always do the right side here first because it's stimulating the ascending colon, the right side of your digestive system. Very important first thing in the morning. Release the legs, stretch the arms all the way back over your head. Hook your thumbs, reach all the fingertips out and stretch as tall and as long as you can. Now stretch just a little bit more. And then same thing on the other side. Relax the arms down, interlock the fingers around your left knee and draw it in towards your body. This time stimulating your descending colon, the left side of the digestive system. Getting things moving. Good, release the arm back down, reach the fingertips back behind you. Hook those thumbs, stretch through the fingers and the arms. Big breath in. And then slowly release. Bring that right leg all the way back in for a squeeze. This time, lift your forehead towards your knee. Nice stretch for the neck. And lower it back down. Good. Bend your left knee. Let your right leg come across this knee. And then draw both knees in towards you. You can wrap your fingers around the knees. Or if it feels okay, bring your hands down to the outside edges of your feet. Holding on here to the tops of the feet. And if you like, you can use your thumbs just to press into the bottoms of the feet here. A nice little bit of self-massage. You can't really go wrong just pressing your thumbs into the squashy parts of the feet. How does that feel? Good. One more breath. And slowly release the legs. Reach the arms all the way up and back. Interlock the fingers, the thumbs. Stretch through the fingers. And left side, draw the knee in or wrap the fingers around. Give the leg a squeeze. And then if you like, you can lift your forehead towards that knee. Nice stretch on the back of the neck. And slowly all the way back down. Bend your right leg, let your left leg cross over this right knee. Draw the knees up and maybe holding onto the knees, or again, slide the hands down. Take the outside edges of the feet. And if you like, you continue that nice self-massage, pressing the thumbs into the bottoms of your feet. Good. And relax the legs down. One more time. This is the last one. Hook those thumbs. Stretch through your fingers. Point through your toes. Whole body stretch. And now exhale, bring both knees in for a squeeze. Wrap your hands around the knees. Lift the forehead. And slowly back down. From here, we'll rock and roll all the way up to sit. Give yourself 1 or 2 rocks if this feels nice for your spine. Good, and then slowly coming to a nice, easy seated place. Wrap your arms around your legs, lift your heels, maybe lift your toes. Another little tuck of the chin, forehead to the knees. And gently release the legs down. Take your time, perhaps a little bit of a roll around here. Feeling into the hips, into the belly. Good, and then rock onto your hands and your knees, coming to a nice cat-cow shape. Breathe in, drop your belly, reach the back of your head to your tailbone, look up. And exhale, nice big round through your spine, and a couple more times. So maybe you're still on your bed, maybe you're on the floor here. One more here. Good, and then let the hips sit back towards the heels. Nice stretch through the arms. Round yourself out, lower your belly, your hips, your chest, everything down. One breath in, lift open. Nice little roll here from one hip to the other. Taking a little peek over that opposite shoulder. Really warming into the spine now. And slowly back to the center. One more nice big breath in. And exhale, hips all the way back to the heels. Good. When you're ready, slowly bring yourself all the way back up to sit. Give those shoulders a roll, the hands a little shake, maybe a nice stretch up. And bring your hands down in front of your heart. There you have it, a quick routine to get you up, out of bed, ready for this beautiful summer day ahead. Enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me for this short practice. Now, this is just a tiny taste of all that we have to offer here at the Frog Project. We have an online yoga portal with over 25 live classes every week with myself and 6 other really lovely, friendly, very, very good teachers. We have a wonderful community of like-minded people. So you come along, maybe even make a friend, and you can practice anything with us, from gentle yoga like this for half an hour or an hour. You can help get strong and come and do some yoga with light weights or water bottles, or come and relax completely in our 30-minute dedicated meditation relaxation classes. So there's something here for everybody. However you are feeling, come along, be part of this incredible yoga home. There is space for you, and we would love to see you there. Also, you get a 15-day free trial, no card, no commitment, so really absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. Thank you for listening to me. Click the link that's just below and have a little look around. If you've got any questions, also drop me a line. I'm Carrie, and I can't wait to hear from you soon.